Coming up in this video, I've got a truly stunning rhubarb vodka martini serve for you. It is amazing. It's one of my old school recipes. Delicious. Stay tuned. Hey drinks fans, I am Steve the Barman, and I hope these videos help you drink, serve and enjoy your favourite drinks, your favourite spirits, your liqueurs. I hope you enjoy them even more. Right, today's cocktail, super excited about this. This has got a name, but I need you guys to come up with a new name. This was my Thirsty Teeny. My business, my limited company name is actually called Thirst First, but I don't really go under that anymore. I go by Steve the Barman because I don't really do big bars with multiple people. It's all about me. So this was a cocktail I created for my business. I kind of rejigged it. It's at least 8 years old, but I had it for a few years before then. It's a kind of a lovely sort of martini serve. I did used to rock this out with rhubarb gin, but it works so much better with vodka. It's had a few little flips over the years. Used to go sort of rhubarb gin and then went plain vodka with rhubarb syrup. Now I've got an amazing, perfect rhubarb vodka. JJ Whitley's Rhubarb Vodka works an absolute treat for this. Right, cocktail shaker. First ingredient is 50 ml of your vodka, rhubarb vodka, and I love JJ Whitley because they just pop of flavour. Just amazing, super vibrant. 50 ml. The next ingredient you want is some vanilla. Now you could go vanilla sugar, but liquor for 3. This with rhubarb, I promise you, is stunning. Just want 15 ml, 1-5 of this. Now, next ingredient we want is some passion fruit puree. I'm going this brand. I've had a couple of debates with people on there. Yes, I've lost it, there it is. I'm not being paid by ODK at all. I genuinely do think that ODK purees are across the board are a lot better than Real in certain cases. However, I do actually prefer the Real passion fruit to the ODK passion fruit. The only problem I've had recently is these have been out of stock everywhere, and it's a pain in the backside for you guys to get hold of at home. So whereas ODK is so easy to get hold of, they are every other flavour I think is better. You can't see them, but I've got about 14-15 flavours down there. Amazing. So passion fruit puree, 25 ml. Just give it a little shake. Right, there we go. These are long life, shelf stable, so once open, it's the reason why I go on about them. They just keep on your shelf for months after opening. They're perfect for you guys at home and pubs and bars. Right, next ingredient, I want some lime juice. I just want 15 ml of lime juice. There we go. A couple more ingredients. The first of which, I'm going some bitters. This is where another one of the plays coming up, because I used to use a peach brandy. However, I've got these bitters now, and they are, this is Ms. Better's bitters, Mount Fuji these are called, and the bitters in here are white peach, chrysanthemum, burdock and yuzu. So I've just had a play about with this, and they work amazingly well. It even makes the cocktail even better. You just want, about perfect again, about 1/3 to 1/4 of a pipette. Go. And then one final ingredient is some freshly squeezed, sorry, pressed, where is it, that one, pressed apple juice. Okay, this is just supermarket own brand of apple juice. I think that's my apple juice. Yeah, that's my apple juice. Looks the same as my lime juice. And you just want 50 ml of a pressed apple juice in there. I'm just going to wash out the passion fruit puree. There we go. Now, if you weren't using passion fruit puree or that brand, if you were using Funkin', you would need some sugar in there. But because that is sort of sugar based as well, that is absolutely perfect. Now, the apple juice should froth that up a treat, all right? I haven't actually made it with that puree. I've done it with that puree before, and it does work. So hopefully this is going to froth up. If it doesn't, you want that nice layer of froth on top. Just use some Miss Better's Bitters Miraculous Foamer. Right, we're going to ice this down. And as always, I can't really call it the Thirsty Teeny anymore because obviously I don't go by Thirst First anymore. So I need a new name for this cocktail. This is my signature serve cocktail. So we need you guys to come up. This is super important, this one, to come up with a new name. And this is amazingly tasty. Right, hard and fast shake for about 12 seconds. And as you can see, the apple juice has frothed that up a treat. Pop that out. I'm going to double strain this. Just in there. Oh, so excited by this. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Perfect. The froth. The froth. And then a garnish. Now because I was doing events at the time, I never had a proper garnish for this. I just used to go just for a lime wedge just on the side. But I think I should get more creative, actually, doing this. Oops. Okay, we'll do that. And there we have it. Oh, that is so good. I cannot tell you. The rhubarb, the vanilla, the bitters, the peach sort of notes. Oh. I need a new name, guys, please. I need to start rocking that out even more. That is my signature serve. Amazing. Right, popping up on screen will be more vodka cocktails for you. Cheers.